to whatever. Welcome back to whatever it is I do here. Today we are finally addressing something that's been a long time coming. Alright, so we are still in the unknown as far as if this is going to fix it or not. So this is one of the plungers that, if you recall, we replaced one of the cam magnet adjusters back in maybe August, September? Long time ago. So this is the plunger that sits behind that, and essentially this spring that moves gets seized up, because I was reading a lot of forums on the screens, how they get clogged up, but I'm hoping that this, which is really easy to get to and requires a special toolkit. It kind of resembles, there's like those two little notches there, like the same type of tool you use to spin in like calipers or pistons on a caliper. This is going to be used to pull out the old one, and then we're going to put this one in. Now the only thing to this is we're going to have my car get up to operating temperature first, which in the shop we're not gonna do that because we don't want to die. So we're gonna have to pull it outside. I'm also excited to pull the old one out to kind of see the difference in the mobility of it versus this one here. So that's gonna be nerve-wracking. If it's kind of the same, I'm gonna be disappointed because more than likely that means it's above and beyond what we're doing today. It's probably gonna need a camshaft, which requires a lot more labor-intensive work. We're gonna go ahead and get started and extract the plunger, or the old plunger. Ah! Oh, by the way, we're gonna change this out because I got this for a Christmas present. Black caps. Save the day. Looks a lot cleaner. It's crazy what that does. Now I just need black washer fluid. So it's a little difficult to see, but I am not about to take off these hoses just for visual because I kind of wanted to snake this through and be a lazy turd nugget. So like I said, there are 3 T30 bolts that hold in this cam adjuster, or cam magnet adjuster, I should say. This is the one we had just replaced. As you can see, it's fairly new looking. So I'm gonna put it over here. Alright, so now that we have the light on, God, this camera sucks dick. Okay, so it's kind of hard to see, but you can see the plunger right in the hole there, and there's 2 of the little locking pieces. This is gonna be, I guess, reverse threaded. Alright, so we are in the on position, which is what we want. I am so nervous. Okay, so it looks like that's gonna be where we're at. Are you sure it's reverse threaded? Because I'm scared. Okay, that was not good.
7 to 10, probably? Ouch.
Oh, wow. I forgot it was reverse thread and it stopped. I'm like, oh no, and I was like, oh. Hallelujah. It moves just the same. Well, this actually feels, hold on.
It's all full of shit.
So we got the new one and the old one here. Both of the springs, when you push them down on top, they feel pretty much identical. I know I had mentioned earlier that people were putting brake fluid and spraying it into the little holes and cleaning out the screens. I mean, we're already here, so might as well just try as much as we possibly can. So I realized at this point in the video I completely failed to tell all of you that the plunger I'm putting in is used. It's a known good one, but it's still used. So just clarifying that. That's why I'm spraying it with brake fluid. So after cleaning that, made sure that we oiled it. You can see it's all over my freaking hands. Alright guys, I'm trying to get it to the point where it's at a 180 because that's where it was when I took it off. Like these 2 little notches were perfectly horizontal. I think that's good. It looks...
Shop dog? He's 5.5. I got him a new order to take him.
It does not help when your car is on the ground! Stick! God, everything sucks! wrist magnets.
I feel like everyone's like, oh, wow.
Yeah, that's exactly. Guys, we've been waiting for this moment for months, and it's finally here. I don't want to get my hopes up because I'll probably cry once I hear it's starting to tick again. Alright. Oh, you're here for the
Cold start.
cold start. Of course, of course. We're gonna let her get up to operating temperature. Shouldn't take too long because it's been inside, so let's just let her marinate. Let's leave it for 10 more minutes and just go inside and then we'll come back up. We're about to find the truth out right now. Alright, so I'm gonna confirm right now. Actually, let's go inside. I'm colder than a mother. I'm pretty positive that this fixed it, but the real test will be in the spring when I'm down the road. It is, this is embarrassing. So this is 3 weeks later, and the video just concluded of what you just saw of me getting excited because it apparently fixed the issue. I woke up at, I think it was 7:02 a.m. the next day, and it was like Sandy Cheeks when she's hibernating, and then she hears like SpongeBob and Patrick go. I realized I never plugged in the cab magnet adjuster, so I didn't even know if it actually fixed it or not. Today's the day! You lying son of a whore!
Yeah, because I didn't fucking believe you.
I'm assuming it's up to operating temperature right now? Is it at? It is. Alright, so the needle is in the middle. No, it's doing it. Okay, back into the garage. Is it gonna blow up? That is okay. We're gonna be okay. It's gonna be a fun learning process. Yeah, I don't really know what to say. I'm kind of upset right now. Probably just gonna curl up in a ball. If the Packers don't win tonight, I'm gonna curl up in a ball, like a bigger ball, in the corner. So here's the meme of the week, and I'm gonna go cower in my peanut butter fort now. Bye.